Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use wpbakery page builder for text and headings. Let me log in into my demo website. Simply just add /wp-admin. Then after that you can provide your login details for your website. And after that go to plugin sections. Let me upload the plugin file. You can get the plugin from wpbakery.com. So this is official website for the plugin, and here you can check the pricing. For the single sites you can get this package. After that let me upload plugin file. Make sure that your plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error during plugin installation. And it will take just few seconds. And if you want to design your website, you can contact me at WhatsApp, as well as you can also contact on email. Okay guys, here you can see plugin is installed. Let's activate. Okay, now I will recommend you a plugin that you must be installed. This is called Classic Editor. Now let's add a new page and let's give name home. After that publish. Then here you can see backend editor, frontend editor. Let's use backend editor. Now scroll down and here you can select blank layout as well as default layout. So let me select one of these, and after that let's add new element. Here we can add new row, new section and whatever. So let me add a new row. After that let's add heading. You can search for heading. Here you can see custom heading element. Then here you can add text. For example, professional WordPress web design services. Then scroll down and here you can link your heading with any page. Then scroll down. You can select heading type H1, H2. So these are 6 type of headings. You can also select paragraph. So let's keep H2. Then you can align your heading text in the center, left, right. And after that here you can add font size, for example 20 pixels, whatever you want to add. Then here you can add line height. So this is a gap from the bottom side. Then here you can add text color. For example, let me change color. Then here you can see use default font family. So whatever your WordPress theme is using font, it will use that. You can also change font from here. Then here you can see font style, and in the design options here you can see border color. You can add the border as well as you can add some background image. Then save changes. Let's preview how it works. Here you can see preview option. Okay, we have added a heading. Now let's add a text element. Just click on plus icon, then search for text block. So this is by default text. You can add your own text. Remove this. Then here you can see this is tooltip editor. Just you can use these options, and here you can see toolbar. So these are some other options that you can use. For example, you can change the color, whatever you want. And you can also align your content from here. For example, here you can use alignment options. Then scroll down. So these are some animations, and you can also add some images by clicking on adding media. Then go to design tab, and here you can see border and background option. Then save changes. Let's click on preview. Okay, here you can see we have some text and heading on a page. Then you can simply update. Okay, alright. In this way you can easily add headings and text in WP Bakery page builder.